Hello and welcome to PCOrganize.com. Guys, if you are new to our channel, please click the subscribe button for support, and if you really like the video and want to be notified when we release a new video, please hit the notification button at the end of the video and we'll notify you when we release a new video. As for your information, we make lots of videos on how to resolve computer problems, and if you have having problem with your computer, maybe this video or any of the old videos we have made might help you, so don't forget to see our other videos too. Please also don't forget to comment below any questions, any thoughts, any disagreement, and we'll try to reply as soon as we can. Now thank you for listening, and let's start with problem solving. Hi guys, today we're going to do a quick video on how to restore Samsung Xcover 3. Had few emails on how to restore it. People were trying, but they couldn't, so we thought we'd make a video and put it out there, so maybe it will help some of you guys. Okay, first of all, we switch it off. As you can see, we just shut it down for now, and we hold the home button in the middle, and then the volume up on the side. So we hold them there, and then with the other finger we switch it on. We switch on the device, and then keep press the middle button and the volume up button. So once you see the recovery option comes up, so we scroll down to restore option. So by pressing the volume down, okay. Once you go to the system restore option, then and you click OK with the power button on the other side, and then we go down again completely to the like erase everything and restore the device. And then we click OK with the power button again. Just before this, you click OK, please make sure that you have saved your pictures, your data, your contacts, everything, because this will erase everything for you. And obviously you're gonna have problems restoring them. Or maybe you could not restore them anymore, so please do back it up before you click OK, and then click OK. So we clicked OK now, and it does it fairly quickly. Actually, Android is quite fast, so yeah, it just deleted everything and it is asking to reboot. So you can just click OK with the power button again, and then it will reboot the actual device. So now it will start rebuild the software one more time, so this is going to take a while, so we're going to leave this on for you, but we're going to come back very soon as we get the welcome screen. As you can see, we sort of cut it and stopped until the welcome screen came, so just for the purpose of the video. So now we got the welcome screen, so we're just gonna start and do the setup as normal, like click start and then next. Next you connect to wireless, you connect to your Google account and so on. So obviously it's pretty same with every other phone, just like you take it in the beginning and then you set up everything as you want. and you got completely restored phone. So everything that you had on it is gone. You could send it like this, let's say if you want to sell it, or you can set it up again for another person that you want. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you in any way, shape or form. Thank you.